y'all saying that you in the rack if your ass only in the heights. 100,000 around my neck, my jeweler got me shining bright. I would've got my money back, cause that little chain ain't hit right. If I fly you out right now, is you gon' let me fuck tonight? I spent 200,000 on my cars.
If y'all boys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, man. I drop consistent bangers. And if y'all haven't checked, go over and follow me on Instagram, man. I drop behind the scenes content. Now let's get into the video. Look, don't do this in the rain, man. It's just been a lot of stuff going on, bro. So today I'm just like, bro, I don't even care no more. I'ma just hurry up, do this, go back to the crib and freaking park this joint. Like, I ain't even finna worry about this rain no more. Cause I didn't want to do it in the rain, but it is what it is. But he got a little garage, so we just gonna put it in the garage, do it, then I'm gonna go right back to the crib and park this joint. Cause bro, the other day it was pouring like a mug. I'm like, man, I'm not finna do this. So I had canceled on him, but today, just started to rain. I'm on something, bro. I'm just finna do it, man. I ain't finna be waiting no more longer. And today is my son's birthday party too, so I might get y'all a little vlog of that. So just stay tuned, man. I'm gonna let y'all know when we get into the install, though. YouTube, it's your boy Davo coming to y'all with another YouTube video, man. And as you can see by the title, I'm finally getting my carbon fiber splitter on. So if y'all haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. We just go build this car to the maximum, man. I ain't gonna put no horsepower behind it probably, but we just go see, man. We go see if I decide to, but I ain't trying to avoid that factory warranty. There's just be too much going on, especially with these 2023s. And if I haven't told y'all yet, this is a 2023 Dodge Charger Hellcat jailbreak. So hit that subscribe button, man. We got a lot coming, Got my boy right there. Got the Scatty. My boy Caleb. Yeah, I'm gonna put his Instagram right there too, y'all, so y'all can follow my boy. Bro. No, I had to. This finna look crazy. I ain't gonna lie, bro.
Look 10 times better, John. Tell me, bro.
Hell yeah. This video gonna be real quick though. Give y'all a little tutorial. Y'all know me. I'm the type of person that should do it yourself type of person, but I don't got no tools like this man. This man got all the tools.
No, we coming, man.
That boy be building cribs, all type of crap. What is it on pesos?
So what?
What is it on pesos? On the back of your phone? What is that?
One of them is, yeah. Got that Korean one too on God.
Oh, Korean. You was out there before? No.
Korean? No, my homie, he was in the army. He was stationed out there.
Oh, yeah.
So he had brought some bread back. He's like, here.
Oh, yeah.
Shit, fuck it.
Oh, bro. Lift this joint right up. Let me know what y'all think about the whip, man. Let me know what I should do next. I've been trying to find some carbon fiber side skirts, but that's too hard to find, man. Like the thick ones. Hold on, let me show y'all his real quick. I'm trying to find something like this. Like, he got the best side skirts I've ever seen, bro. Look how thick these side skirts is on the back. That little wing that go up. So if y'all know where some at that's just like this, carbon fiber, with that little wing that pop up at the top, because I seen some carbon fiber ones, but they super thin. Look at this joint. This joint crazy. How many lips you done been through now, man?
Bro, that's my third one, bro.
Oh, that's your third.
But I'm lower though, so I mean, I feel like you shouldn't have a problem because you still start height. You should be straight, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to chill out though, bro, with this lip, man.
Okay.
I already be scraping a little bit, but I'm gonna definitely have to chill out a little bit, bro. It all depends if I'm tweaking, bro.
Scraping on what?
Overly tripping, bro. Like if I drive fast over something and it's just like,
Bro.
I just be tripping, man. Low key my fault though.
Imagine if you was lower, bro.
Exactly. I feel like that I should have gone bags or something. I just don't want to spend that extra.
Bags like what, like 5 bags? What 5 bags?
Yeah, a little light 5, boy. Nah. I don't know if I'm gonna do that though, man. I gotta make some more off YouTube first. Bro, my whole YouTube check, I just spent it on a rear diffuser. That's coming in probably in like another week. This and that rear diffuser was $1,100. Then what else I get? Oh, them RGB lights. Them RGB lights was a band. There's really 1,500, bro.
1,500?
Yeah. That little Cyber Monday deal was going on.
Oh God. Steals and deals, man.
You like using these and crap or no?
The screws, nah, look, I feel like
these screws garbage.
these are self-tapping ones, you feel me? So like, I recommend these low key more than, cause those
Oh, you said self. Oh, yeah, I
these
did see
self-tapping
somebody with those on YouTube. Let me see that real quick. That boy got the self-tapping. Oh my God, my boy really plugging me.
We don't care.
Let me tell you. We don't.
bro.
But yeah, I seen somebody use them up on YouTube.
Oh God, I feel like I recommend these better, bro. I ain't gonna tell.
Yeah, cause they give you these little screws.
Yeah, little janky joints, man. You going whole nine.
Bro. I know this joint gonna look crazy, bro. But the only thing is, I just feel like, man, I need the whole thing so it could freaking complete. But we gonna get there, y'all. We gonna get there. This joint super dirty too, man.
I could have done there cleaned your shit too. You came early on, bro.
You all good. I ain't even tripping, man. I just had too much going on today, man.
I'm not knowing.
Yeah, before y'all troll, man, we did clean the bottom of this too, man, to make sure that it was dry. I know it's a little wet right here. Y'all go be in the comments tripping, man.
That man don't know what he doing, man.
Bottom of this joint is clean, man. How much one of these little drills is? 3 some?
Like 2 something, I think.
2 some.
I think so, yeah.
Bro. Oh God. I be seeing people that be selling them little joints up on Facebook.
Right.
Little batteries. Cause I know somebody, they was selling like a whole crate of them, talking about some of them might be bad, some of them might be like blah, blah, blah. I'm just like, bro, what? Y'all on Facebook tweaking, bro. Like, you know, some it ain't a guarantee. Like, bro, you wanna play?
Are you tweaking, dude?
But yeah, make sure that y'all hit that like button. Bro, I need y'all to hit that like button, bro. This thing costed me a little something. Need that back.
Good, man.
Then I be seeing people that be having them splitters that be connecting to like this or something. Them craps be looking ugly to me, bro. I don't be liking them. Yeah, I don't be liking them. They be talking about some, yeah, they more sturdy and blah, blah, like, bro.
Bro, but like, what if you
Your whole bumper come off, bro.
You tripping, bro.
You go freaking yank a chunk of your freaking bumper off, bro. You tripping.
You be tweaking, bro.
Yeah, I'ma just definitely have to chill out, bro. Definitely chill out.
Or can I use an inch and a half one?
You could try inch first, and if it doesn't grab you.
This engine bay looking good, bro. Got the carbon fiber going on. This is fake, man. So don't be in the comments tripping either, man. This is fake. This is real, though, bro. This is a real leg maker. So if y'all tripping the comments over this, I'm going to definitely get on that. But nah, this was off Amazon, and that was off Amazon. Put a little wash thing. I just got to clean it, bro. But both of these was off Amazon. This was like 20. That was like probably like 30. But yeah, this engine bay looking pretty decent, bro. Especially with this lip. I just need them skirts, bro.
Yeah, oh God. That's why I make it look like 10 times better.
Them skirts gonna look crazy. Time just flew, bro. It's already almost 6.
What time you gotta be over there?
Should have started at 6.
It's not work. I don't know why this pizza ain't lined up, bro.
I don't even remember what time that I came. We was supposed to freaking do this in the morning, bro. I be tripping, man.
Oh, bro, I didn't see you. You had text me out, man. I don't want to do nothing, bro.
I be tripping. Yeah, let me know how this joint look, y'all. Let me know in the comments what y'all think about this joint. Let me get y'all a little view. Ooh, let me turn on these lights real quick. I know this joint looking wet. Just kind of in a rush right now.
Crazy.
Oh, that joint blue right now. I ain't even finna change the red, but y'all see it, man. That joint looking outstanding. That joint looking outstanding. Just can't wait till I get the side skirts and all that, man. I'm definitely gonna be in it, bro. But yeah, like as long as the size is on, bro. Look at that. Make sure that y'all subscribe, man. Oh, bro, great.
Yeah, bro.